how to use red light therapy at home. Welcome to our ultimate guide on how to use red light therapy at home. Whether you're seeking pain relief, skincare benefits, hair loss management, or even weight management, red light therapy offers a range of potential advantages. But before you jump into using red light therapy at home, it's essential to select the right device for your needs. Here are key factors to consider before making a purchase. Get a device with FDA approval. Different light strengths treat different issues. Pick a comfy device made for your treatment area. Well-known brands with good reviews help. Set a budget. Once you've chosen the right device, it's time to set it up correctly. Pay attention to the guidelines provided with the device to ensure proper setup. When using the device, remember to minimize clothing in the treatment area, protecting your eyes, and using the correct light setting for your specific needs. If using a panel, position it at least 3 inches away from your body, and follow the recommended time of exposure, usually 10 to 20 minutes per session. With these tips and techniques, you can effectively maximize the benefits of red light therapy in the comfort of your own home. Stay tuned for more valuable tips and recommendations. Thanks for watching. Visit the link to know more details.